Amplitude shift keying. Amplitude shift keying is nothing but it is same as like amplitude modulation, but which is used to represent the binary data in the form of variations in the amplitude of the signal. Now let me explain how to generate the amplitude shift keying using MATLAB application. Open MATLAB application. Now click on the Simulink, the red icon on the taskbar. Create a new model. And for ASK, we require a sine wave, pulse generator and a product. Now I've searched for sine wave in the library browser of the Simulink. And the sine wave is dragged and placed on the new model. Next, we require a pulse generator. As like the sine wave, the pulse generator is dragged and placed on the model. The two outputs of the sine wave and the pulse generator is fed to the input of the product, and the product is given to the scope. And now the frequency of the sine wave is set to be 20 and the sample time is given as 0.001. And the pulse generator's pulse width is defaultly 50, so no problem. And now let me run and open the scope. And the amplitude modulated sine wave is obtained. Now I add a multiplexer to this block, which is used to combine two analog or digital inputs into a single output. Now the input of the mux is fed to the output of the product and the output of the pulse generator, and the output of the multiplexer is given to the scope. Now I run and open the scope, and the amplitude shift keyed sine wave is obtained.